And for the men in the room, if your organization has no women leadership in your organization, then you're probably part of the problem and you need to be part of the solution. So you need to also check yourself and monitor what you're doing.
We want to deal with the topic of gender equality, the workplace, and also them talk about how the woman them fi balance family life and balance the workplace and stuff like that. But for me, it's a woman for going to the workplace. Yeah, woman for work and woman for fulfill them dreams and woman for get their aspiration out there. But woman have to understand, say, listen, you are the tie part to the family. Yes, I mean, I say woman are the woman respond to the family on a high level. You see me, a man just can do a thing. You see me, I say, you see me, a man just can do a thing. So we don't say no woman nothing in the system and I get them thing done. But woman have to remember, say, they have them duty as a woman to breed family and make sure, say, the family reach from one level. Ladies have to remember your duty, and we have to revolutionize woman, because if the woman didn't revolutionize, we can't have good kids, You see me, I say. But if you remember, say, family background and woman tie up the family. You ever see one yard where the woman dead out of the house and left the man and the kids them and they just run down to nothing? Sometimes the man are dead and left the woman and the kids them and the yard still run per one level, because the woman they fit tie the family and make sure so the family intertwine and have everything together. Means like that, the woman is really powerful to the family. So if me have the real opportunity to breed my family with my wife and everything, my wife supposed to leave the house a little later than me and the kids and come back to the house a little earlier than me and the kids, because the woman's supposed to see that the kids them go off to school and everything is alright, which that's the way it's supposed to be, because the father will even bring the kids to school, but the mother have to make sure so everything is alright too. You see me, I say, and when the kids come from school, mother have to make sure, say, yes, we talk to the kids and what go on to school or what school, this and that. So mother, the woman them needs to know, say, and not just work and try to achieve them goals and everything, because nobody now fight a woman to achieve them goal and everything, but woman have to understand, say, you have your job as the man as his job to the family, to make sure so the family are right and protect the family and financially and physically and everything. That's the man's job, and make sure, say, they play a father role, but yet a woman have to know that too. Say, fear thing is to make sure, say, the house good and everything alright and kids grow properly and everything. Yes, I mean, as a woman, revolutionize woman too, as a man, you have to give woman powers. But we can't left out the family part of the thing. It's if you left out the family part of the thing because a woman say want fulfilling goal and then can't get for balance in life within family life and them job and them something. You have to be careful where you do, else we not going to have no family in the future. A maid now come to try to grow your family, because the maid have fear family for grow to. You see me, I say? It's just a part of getting a job to make sure, say, she can earn certain amount of money to help feed her family and certain things. That's why she do certain things. But as a woman, you have to kind of remember that, say, you have your duty towards the family to make sure the family brought up the right way and things going along the right way. You get me? Because a maid a cook for your husband and a maid responds for the kids them, and when the husband come home sometimes spend more time at the yard with the maid. That's why you have some maid take over some people's yard. You get me? The husband come home and the husband keep on have more time at the yard with the maid, and the maid a take care of the picnic, and the maid a cook food and the maid a wash clothes. It come like the maid of the wife. So woman have to understand. You get me? You have to understand about the family part. Don't just think we just want to achieve a goal and we know that. And no man now fight that. But you have to balance the thing. The thing need to be balanced. You see me? Okay, and that's why in a long run you have some woman becomes like lesbian, because they want to do everything just like a man, and when they do everything just like a man, they becomes a man. You see me, so them think them can go look woman and deal with woman, but you get me. That if you another subject, that if you another thing, but as me say, a woman have to know, you know, because if every woman are gonna do like what every man do, in the future we're not gonna have a family. You see me, I say, and a family bred good kids. You see me, we're gonna end up with every woman have a child and then no man no did it, because when the people them come or when the people born and she a try to do everything, she end up where she and the man break up and them, you get me, I say. So woman, ladies have to remember your duty, you know.
And in fact, you know, we joke about this sometimes. Sometimes a woman would make a point and then like 10 minutes later a guy would make the same point.
That is so annoying.
And it was like, I'm sorry, she just said that.